And staying on athletics, Diack, once one of the most powerful figures in world athletics, has been convicted of corruption. Diack was sentenced to 2 years on Wednesday in France for his part in corruption scandals that included the cover-up of Russian doping in return for bribes worth millions of dollars.
Diack was once head of World Athletics' governing body, but his race was run on Wednesday when he was convicted of corruption in a Russian doping scandal within the sport. The 87-year-old was sentenced to at least 2 years in prison for taking millions of dollars in bribes in return for orchestrating the cover-up of athlete test results that enabled them to continue competing. The offences spanned several high-profile competitions, including competitors at the 2012 London Olympics. Former French marathon runner Christelle Donnet, who helped bring the case to court, was relieved at the decision.
You can't see the smile on my face with the mask I'm wearing, but I'm very happy to have been recognised as a victim of the corruption by the IAAF leaders. And I'm also happy for all the athletes who were. We need to continue the fight against doping, and to have been recognised that this is important for us.
The court in Paris heard how Diack solicited bribes totalling more than $4 million from athletes suspected of drug cheating, and then paid off other officials within the International Association of Athletics Federations to aid with the cover-up. Diack's lawyers immediately said that they would appeal the decision, which included a further 2-year suspended jail time and a $594,000 fine, calling it unjust and inhumane.
Meanwhile, Diack's son, Papa Massata, who was tried in absentia because Senegal refuses to extradite him, was sentenced to 5 years in prison and fined €1 million. He was also banned from the sport for 10 years.